Hey loves, I'm back with another video, and today we got Susie Beauty. Damn. Hey y'all, back with another video, and today I got a nail drill, and this is by MelodySusie. So let's open this bad boy up. Okay, let's see what's inside of here. Okay, so first, that's how far I zoomed out. Okay, so this is the manual. It tells you what each drill bit does. They give you 6 of them. Standard, that's what they put in everything. And right here, oh, turn that light on. It says enjoy 20% off. Use this coupon code. I think I need some of those. So if you want to screenshot this, I don't know if it's just for me or whatever, but yeah, use this for on Amazon. I got this on Amazon, you guys. So this is a thank you letter for choosing them. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's start with the basics. So you got these come with every drill that you get. Just the basic stuff, okay? So next we have is the plug for it. It's a wall plug. And right here, let's take this out. Oh, okay. I like how this feels. It's the unlock and lock button. Okay, I'll be right back. My battery's about to die. Okay, we are back. So we got this already. I like how this feels. Oh, as I was saying, you know, I got the unlock and lock. You take this out when you want to put the drill in. So let's see what we have next. Oh, you come with a foot pedal. Okay. I like a foot pedal. I had one in a while. All I've been having was the portable ones, you guys. So having an actual one is actually pretty good. So, yep, that's everything. So look at this, you guys. So you have a on and off button you could push. Right here, this is where you put your I like that. Put it in like this, you guys. And then all these right here, this is where you can put your drill bits. So let me show you real quick. I can open this. So you can see right here, you can just put them right in. Any ones you want, not these, but you know, you can put whatever ones you want in here. I got an idea what I want to put in here already. So I'm about to test this out and I will be right back. Alright you guys, I've got to show the back of this real quick. So this is left and right, forward and reverse. This is the plug that you plug it in, and this is right here, you put this in here. And this is for the foot pump. Okay, I am back. Okay, I'm about to put my mask on. So I got some of them already. I'm gonna add some more because I'm about to order some, so I want to get some better ones. So all I have is this one at the moment, this carbide drill. So let's get started. I'm about to shut my mouth and let some music play, and you guys just watch me do what I gotta do. So right here, first we're going to turn this on, and this goes from 0 all the way to 30 RPMs. So I'm going to put it on 8. I'll put on 8 right now and see how that is. Hey everybody, I am back, and where is it at? Okay, so this works really good. I just like how you can just put it inside of here. It's super convenient, it's super easy. I like this a lot better than the portable ones because that's all I really had at the moment, because my other one was not working anymore. It was not as fast, so I just stopped using it. So this is 30 RPMs if you forgot. And this are my nails. You can see in the video I was kind of struggling on my ring finger. That's because I put dip powder on, and I put on a little too much dip powder. So it was really thick. And for some reason it made this nail seem shorter. Since I took everything off, this nail seems longer now. Which is a good thing, but oopsie, I kind of messed it up. Got a little too close. But other than that, I love how these turned out. I'll be back with design on these nails. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. The sides are kind of jacked up. As you can see, something missing right there. Something missing. And these have no arch. No apex. That's another reason why I cut them too. I took the stuff off. So yeah, I don't know if I want to keep these or soak these off or not. It's only been a week. So I might do something simple. I'll probably put some more poly gel in here and thicken them up and just put like a little cute design on them or something. I'm not sure. But this thing is from MelodySusie. It's not portable, it's a plug up one. And it gives you 6 little holes for your drill bits. And on the back, that's the foot pump. This is for the plug right here. This is the forward and reverse. So I love everything about it. I think that's about it. It works really good. It's not loud either. Let me see, I'm gonna turn it up again in case you guys didn't hear it earlier in the video. Close it. That's on 30. So yeah, I can't wait to this. Man, I'm super excited. I have this ham right here. It's builder gel, so I'm gonna soak this off too. I was gonna follow a little bit just to have less, but it's not a lot. And I put this on probably a month ago, almost. You know, your hands kind of grow slow. It's cold where I'm at right now, so they're not growing as fast, but they have grown out. Let me show you this one right here. You can see it's right there, but I kind of like push my cuticles back a little bit. A lot of growth. A lot of growth. From here to here. And you see how good the builder gel stayed on? There's some stuff on the sides, but I think that was due to me. But other than that, I can't wait to do my nails, you guys. Alright, catch you in the next one. Bye.